Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram feed to Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, you can see in here my Instagram or as well as my website and Wix. So for this one, we'll just need to add an Instagram to. So when we head over to this add elements right here, and if we can see our social, you can click on social right here. But as you can see, Instagram is not in here. So what we can do is we can add an app. So click on this right here, which is this will open the app market. And then once the app market is open, the next thing we can do is we can actually search in here for Instagram feed, or can just search in here for just plain Instagram. So once you search for that, we should be able to see this Instagram feed right here. So just click on this one. And then from in here, make sure to add this one to your site. So I will add this one to my site right here. So once you have added your Instagram feed, it will actually look like this one. So as of right now, it is loading. So this is what it looks like. So if you haven't added a section yet, make sure to add a section in order to dedicate that specific section on this Instagram feed. So let's try to add a black section. And then in here, you can choose what kind of section you want to add. But for me, I'll just choose a black section. So let's put that black section right here. And as you can see, it's been added like this. So let's move this slower. That way it will be in here on the down button. So let's actually move this Instagram feed into the section that we have created. And then resize it to sleeve 1 in order to fit the section that we have actually created just now. So in here, here's the Instagram feed. Just resize it however you want. So this is what our Instagram feed looks like once it's been added and repositioned properly. So when I click on manage links right here, for right now, it is actually a blank Instagram page. If you click on manage link, you should be able to put in here the link. As you can see, it is actually not a very good page or not an existing page. So what I can do is I can click on the settings right here, and then in here to open the Instagram feed. So in here, we need to connect a business account of our Instagram. So make sure that your account is a business account in order to connect it. But if you can also just connect your personal account. So let's try to connect one of our accounts. So just choose one. For me, I'll just choose this connect personal account. Then this will open a pop-up window wherein I can authorize and open my Instagram. So just allow anything. So click on allow. And then this will actually allow your Instagram to be connected to this Wix website. So as you can see right now, it is loading. And in here, you can see my Wix, or actually my Instagram on my Wix. So this in here is my Instagram feed. So you can actually just put in here everything that is actually your Instagram feed. So this is my Instagram, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, this has been added in here. So when I click on your settings right here, you should be able to see everything. So just click on display, and then you can also display your profile if you want. But this is only applicable if you are not logged in as a private Instagram account. So if your account is public, you can utilize this. And you can also enter in here the hashtag feed for your Instagram. So let me switch back my Instagram from private to public first in order to enable the settings. So let me wait a bit. So once you have linked everything, you can actually enable your Instagram feed in order to show your profile, username, photo, and all of these things right here. Under the settings, you can also just choose the app language. And in here, you can also expand this post. So full screen or open on Instagram or nothing happens. So you can also enable hover on post, and you can also enable app direction. Under the text, you can see in here to show the hashtags. I can also just not show it depending on what you want. And also see here the follow button text or the low board text. Under the layout, you can also see your profile, your post, hashtag feed, as well as the sign wherein you can actually choose what color is your post, the font that goes with it, what info to display, and everything right here. Under support, they can see in here some troubleshooting issues that they can help to solve your problems. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add Instagram feed on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.